Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, how are you doing today? If you're returning, I want to say thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I especially appreciate your time that you take out each day to visit my channel and to see what's going on. And today I have a special edition of the summer 2022 FABFITFUN edit sale. And guys, they're repurposing their spring boxes because this is how it came to me. In the spring FABFITFUN box, it's a large box. I had a relatively large order. So we're going to pop in here and see what I got. I will tell you that I did buy one FABFITFUN mystery bag, and I'm not going to go through that today because that'll be for another occasion. And we're going to get all of our paper out of here. I'm going to move our little bag out of the way. And we have a loaded box. Look at that. Just lots and lots of goodies in here. And I do have everything written down so that I can tell you what I paid for, what the retail is, and how much percentage I saved on each item. The first item, though, is I got this completely free. So if this is a $4 or $5 value, then I paid $0 for it. And I got the Smart Water Clarity, it says. And it has ginseng and green tea extract. So I look forward to trying that out. You know, I got another one of these, and it was very flavorful and very refreshing. So the Smart Water seems to be a pretty good product. It's something that I would purchase. Now, I see a XO Sienna, and I'm not sure what this is. This says it's a pencil holder. Now I can tell you that I paid $4.99 for this, and I'm going to look on here. It's a regular $22 value, and I saved 72%. So this is just going to be all random things that I bought in this edit sale. And this was the first edit sale that was available, and I just thought this was really cute. And I thought I'd like this by my desk. It's very modern looking and nothing too fancy or anything, but I like it that it's got like a little blue-green color and then a place for your pens to sit down in there. So that is my first item, and I am pleased with this purchase, and I'm glad I have it because I have a lot of loose pens sitting around my computers, and I need to have something to tidy that up a little bit. Okay, on to the next item. This was $3.99, and it's called a grip sock. And the regular price is $18 for one pair, and I saved 78%. And the brand is RO and Arrows. And I got these guys because I don't know if you can tell, the feet are out. So you put your toe in there and your heel. Well, actually, this is the heel part, and then your toes stick out. And in the summertime, I thought that might be kind of nice to be able to have your toes free and not be covered up down at the end, because sometimes that makes you feel hotter, or it does me. But I only got one pair because I wanted to try them out, and if I like them and they have them again, I'll try it again. So like I said, that saved me 78% for those grip socks. The next item that I'm pulling out of here is a large regular size of David's Premium Natural Toothpaste, and it's whitening and to plaque fresh breath. And I've had David's before, and it's pretty good. And this here was a $2.99 purchase. It's regular $10, and I saved 70%. And I knew that was a good buy because if you go to buy this at the store, it is $10. And this is a regular size. It's 6.25 ounce. So very good. I'm going to like using that. And then the next item that I'm pulling out of here is a Jennifer Juna jewelry. And I got this, I believe, for $3.99. So let's see what I got for $3.99. FABFITFUN has fabulous edit sales. If you're members, I would recommend you going and checking it out. If you haven't become a member, it's $54.95 a quarter. And you can be an annual member and get to customize your whole box when it comes out each quarter. for about $49.95, $200 a year. This is just a lovely little necklace. You can see the shinies in there with the stars, and it looks like it's a 2-tier, and it's very pretty. I paid $3.99 for this, and it has a $50 value, and I saved 92%. Now, is it really $52? I don't know, or $50. It says that it is. It tells you how to care for your jewelry on the back, and it is, I guess, a designer necklace. So sometimes your designer things can be a little bit more expensive. But I think that's very pretty. It's elegant looking, and I'm going to like that. Okay, let's go on to the next item because I have a box full of stuff here. The next item I'm pulling out of here is some Blue and Capri hand cream, and this is by Skin & Company or Skin & Co. I bought it for $3.99, and this size had a $12 value. Now this would be what I would consider a purse size or a travel size, but the creams are really good with Skin & Company, so I thought I would get that for $3.99. And the next item that I'm seeing in here is some and oil, and guys, this here I got for $2.99. I bought 2 of them. There should be another one in here, yes ma'am, and it's acai oil and fig and marula. So this has several different oils. This one here is a little bit banged up, so I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. It's an antioxidant complex, and it has those 3 components in there, and I'm going to leave this sealed, but it is a youthful serum that you can use on your face, and it says to apply 2 to 4 drops before your moisturizer, and this is just going to probably help to retain moisture. And that, I have 2. They were $2.99 each, and they were $28 each, and I saved 89%. So I got 2 for $2.99, and each one of them I saved 89%, and I think that was a great purchase. Now the next item that I have, it was buy one get one free, and it was the Elevate 2 essential oils, and on the essential oils they were $3.99. So actually I paid $3.99 for 2 boxes, so I got 2 for 1, and I saved 94%, because they're regularly, both boxes would be $62, and that's about right. Essential oils, if you get a pair of them, are about $30. And let's see if I can get these out of here. They've got them wrapped up really nice. So this here is sweet orange, so that's going to have a nice citrusy scent to it, and I don't want to break the seal because I may gift these at some point. And let's see what the other one, they're going to be exactly the same in both packages. Let's see what's on this side. On this one we have eucalyptus. So both of these are great scents, great essential oils that you can use. And of course eucalyptus is good for all kinds of things too. I think you can even use it for some of your cleaning sprays and things like that. So 2 boxes, they were $3.99, $62 total. So for 2, so I paid $2 for each box and saved 94%. So another excellent buy, yes ma'am. Now the next item that I'm seeing in here is Elemental Herbology, and this is Radiance and Vitality Cell Nourishment. And this Elemental Herbology Radiance and Vitality Cell Nourish, I paid $4.99 for this product. It's a $60 value, and I saved 92%. So another great buy, and this is going to be a Cell Nourish, and it is a serum. And look at that packaging. Isn't that very nice? It says it is a Radiance and Vitality Serum. There you go. It's nice and shiny. And it looks, I don't know if it's going to be white or not, but maybe it's going to be a white color. That's interesting. Or maybe the jar at the bottom is white. But in any case, I look forward to trying this, and that's a great price for that serum. Wouldn't you agree? My next item is a little pack. This was all together, and this here was a lipstick cosmetic pack, and it was called Cow's Beauty. I don't know if that's exactly how you say it, but I paid $11.99 for all three of these, and it's Casas, maybe it's Casas Beauty, and I got a weightless lip color. It's in Electra. Well, so let's see what color Electra is. So this little bag was $90, and I paid $11.99 for the whole set. Oh, look at that beautiful color red. I would say that is Electra. Oh, very pretty. Very, very pretty. It's got a magnetic closure. So right there tells you it's a high-end product, more or less. So we got us a red lipstick. And this is probably going to be a gloss, a Casas gloss. This is Casas, and it is Supreme. So let's see what Supreme is. Is this a gloss? Yes, it looks like it is. It is actually an eyeshadow. So this is a liquid eyeshadow. A liquid eyeshadow in Supreme. And I don't know that I've ever used a liquid eyeshadow like this, but you can see the liquid moving. And it's kind of a glittery gold, coppery looking color. So that ought to be real pretty. Do you use liquid eyeshadows? Do you like them? Let me know. And then the last item in this bag is a color and light pressed powder, blush, and illuminator. It looks like it is Longitude 0, might be the color that it's saying it is. And it's kind of got a little bit of it loose here. I hope it isn't busted. It might be. It's definitely been leaking a little bit. We have some on top there. There, I had to clean it up a little bit. Let me put the Kleenex up there. Oops. Yep, this is definitely loose. Loose in the packet. I'm having to touch the product. Not what I want to do. I'm going to press it down with the Kleenex. Okay, guys, so that kind of broke a little bit. I may have to let FABFITFUN know that it came damaged. But the colors are pretty. You've got your highlighter and your blush all in one. And I like the colors, so I am going to contact them to see about a replacement for that. That was in this little bag. So this came as a package deal. And I've never tried these products, so I look forward to trying these out. And then our next item that I'm pulling out of here is a hair clip that I got. And this hair clip is very decorative. It's kind of got the pearls on there, as you can see. But you can see it's going to be very decorative. The flower clip. Okay, I purchased this for $7, and it's regularly $20. And I saved 65%. So I don't know if that was a great purchase or not, but I liked it because it's ornate and decorative, and I thought perhaps, when I'm getting dressed up or something and putting my hair up, that this would be very nice for that. So I do like it, and it is different. I don't have any clips like this whatsoever. So I like that. And the next item I'm seeing in here is a couple of things yet. I have some lip gloss, and the lip gloss is by Luster Lip. Doesn't really say, does it? It's very faint on there. Luster Lip. It's got a little bit of writing there. But this particular product was $3.99 and $24, and so I saved 83%. There we go. A nice color. I like that color. It's kind of a pinky salmon color, so it is a little different than what I usually would wear. But that is a lippy that's in here, and another great purchase. And then I also bought me a little bitty, I guess you call these makeup droppers or makeup blenders. This says makeup drop is what it is. And this here was $3.99. It had a $20 value, so I saved 80%. and it looks to be like a purpley color. So that was one of the items. And then the last item I got, I'm not going to take it out of the package, but I got a Draper James dress. One of those lounge dresses that's very comfortable. I already have one. I got another, and this will be a gift for somebody. Anyways, that was $10, and it has a regular retail value of $48. So those were my items in my edit sale. So just to recap, I got the Draper James dress, and that's by Reese Witherspoon, owns that company. So I got this dress. I got the Capri Blue and Capri Skin and Company hand lotion. I got the Casas little kit of a lipstick, a liquid eyeshadow, and highlighter and blush. I got the little makeup drop for application of my makeup. I got 2 of the essential oils. I got 2 of the U and oil. I got the jewelry, which is very pretty. Very, very, very beautiful. I got the lip gloss. I got the little socks with my open toes. I got my pencil holder. I got my clip for my hair. I got my toothpaste with David's all natural toothpaste, and I got my Herbology for the Cell Nourish. I got my free water. I got my lip gloss. I think I already told y'all that. So that's all that I got in this package. What do you think? Do you have a favorite item? Don't you agree that I got some really great purchases? Did you have a favorite item that was in here? Well, guys, I want you to know that when I was purchasing some of this and it had a buy one, get one free, I already determined that when I got my package, I was going to have a surprise giveaway with my edit sale. So surprise! And the 2 items that's going to be given away is going to be a essential oil and the U&N oil. So if you're interested in these 2 products, because they are going to be in this giveaway, then let's put the word oil in the description, and you can be entered into this surprise giveaway from the FABFITFUN edit sale. This was, I bought one, got one free, so I thought, why not just share one with you all? So put that word oil down in the comments. You'll be entered into that contest, and one lucky winner will win both of these products. And I don't know if you remember, but this has a $60 value, and this has a $30 value, or $31 or $32 value. So we're talking about a $90 value right here. Something for your face, and then something that you can use with essential oils, either in your cleaning around the house, or if you want to put it into, like, if you have one of those humidifiers and you want to put a little essential oil to make your house smell like that, you can use it that way. But however you decide to use it, you can. Now the rules: you must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must be a public subscriber to Miss Jackie Russell. You must use the code word, and please test these. I'm not responsible if you have an allergic reaction to either one of these products. So be sure and test a small area before you put it all over your face or on your skin, just to make sure that you're not allergic. And if you are, then of course you would need to disregard and or give away to someone else or throw away. And also, I want you to know that YouTube or FABFITFUN or any of these name brand companies like U&N Oil and Elevate, none of these companies are representative of this giveaway. They are not affiliated with this giveaway in any particular way. And any of the other rules that I might have overlooked will be down in the bottom in the description, and you can take a look at that. This giveaway is a surprise giveaway, which means it starts now and it can end anytime. Basically, that's all I have today. I hope you enjoyed my edit sale. I think I got some really good prices, and I am going to put a total up there of what I paid and how much I saved, so you can know the total value of my edit sale buy. But as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.